Hey, what's going on? It is Nathan Resnick, the founder and CEO of Sourcify. Today, we're going to be talking about how to start a private label backpack brand. I know so many people out there are trying to figure out how to manufacture their own backpacks. So today, we're going to dive in and really understand what this entails. We've produced, tons and tons of backpacks. I mean, some of my favorite backpack brands are Herschel, Hex, Filson. It's really, I think, important when producing a backpack to understand the materials that go into your bag because you have specific straps, you have buckles, you have zippers. There's a lot of these different components that you have to understand, and that's why your tech pack is so important when producing backpacks. So, obviously, when you source through Sourcify, you're going to save quite a bit of money. But I think really when we think of bag production, ask ourselves where are most bags produced in the world? It's primarily China and Vietnam, some in India as well, but I think it's really important to go through this process of understanding where your supply chain or where your factory is located, because every factory has their own supply chain that has a bit of a trickle down effect. Like where are they getting their zippers, where are they getting the strap? Is the fabric coming from somewhere else? These are all added costs that you have to understand when you get to your actual unit cost. So if you're an entrepreneur or a startup just looking to build a backpack brand, welcome to join us in product sourcing school. If you're an established brand, we do have our enterprise sourcing business that helps Fortune 1000s produce products across the world. And really, I've got to ask, what are you waiting for? You've probably got this idea in your head. You're wondering, how do I turn this into a reality? How do I bring this idea to life? We're here to help. Ask me any questions you have, and hopefully this was helpful in understanding just a quick glimpse into backpack manufacturing.